Are you squinting at your phone screen just to read a text message or a website? If your Android phone's text is feeling a little too small, you don't have to suffer. Today, I'll show you how to quickly increase the font size across your entire Android device so everything is easy on the eyes. First, open your Settings app. You can find this in your app drawer or by pulling down the notification shade and tapping the gear icon. Scroll down and tap on Display. Look for the option labeled Font Size or Font Size and Style. You'll see a slider at the bottom of the screen. Just drag it to the right to make the text bigger or to the left to make it smaller. As you move the slider, you'll see a preview of the text size update in real time. Now, what if you want to make everything bigger, not just the text, including icons and app elements? That's where Screen Zoom comes in. Go back to the main display menu in your settings. This time, tap Screen Zoom. This slider adjusts the overall zoom. Dragging this to the right makes icons and UI elements larger so you don't have to strain to tap them. It's perfect if you find your home screen feels a bit crowded. If the text is big enough but still hard to read, you might need a little extra contrast. Go back to Settings, to Font Size and Style. Here you can toggle Bold Font on. This makes letters thicker and much easier to distinguish. And that's it. No more squinting required. You can mix and match these settings, font size, display size, and bold text, until your phone is perfectly comfortable for you. If this made your Android experience a little bit easier, please hit that like button and subscribe to easy tutorials and how-tos for more simple tech fixes. Which one helped you more? The font size or the display size? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.